Hi, we are Uxue, Sare and Maitene, and we are going to present you our visit to Euskararen Etxera.
First, we saw a video about the history of the Basque Country, where the language comes from the words that they were. The history of the Lamia, a mythology creature.
He told us that they say Mikel went to the mountain, and he had to cross over a river on the top of the mountain. When he was going to cross the river, he saw a lamia. The lamia told him if he guesses the name of the baby she was going to have, she would make a bridge to cross the river. Mikel remembered that his dad told him an special thing, Aita, or. So the name he chose was Or, and the lamia liked it, so she made a bridge to Mikel and the sheep.
Why is it called Euskera, the language of the Basque?
We went to another room that was like a train. This was because they were going to teach us the path of the Basque language. They told us that Euskera is told one of many because it has many dialects. For example, Bizkaia, Batua, Zuberera. Also, we learned that there are many ways to say one thing. For example, Friday here in Bizkaia we call Ostirala, but has other ways to say. Ebakoitza, Barikue, Ostirale, or Ortziteria.
Finally, we could differentiate how our country was before and after. Firstly, the Basque country was bigger, but the Latin came and ruined everything, becoming our country smaller. Then we discovered that the Basque language has at least 2,000 years, and learned that the Euskera numbers are very easy to learn. For example, if 10 is Amar and 14 is Amalau, Amar plus Lau becomes Amalau. This has been more or less what we saw in the view of the Basque Country Language House. Hope you like it and see you soon. Bye!